Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can log out from your Google Chat application on iPhone. So here you just need to open your Google Chat application, tap into the search button, Google Chat or simply chat. You will find this application with this icon, so you just need to tap it to open it. The next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this site. If you try to find the logout button, you will not gonna find it easily from this, because you will not gonna find logout informations from this application. If you want to sign out from this account, so you just need to take a look on this upper side in this account section. Just go tap it, and now you just need to take a look. There will be manage your Google account, add another account, and manage account on this device. Tap in the manage account on this device, and they'll bring you into the old Google account that you have, and then you just need to turn off the button of the account and go click done. And now you will gonna logged out from your account as well as the application. So basically that is the way. It's simple, it's super easy and simple. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, guys, and if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and let's meet again into other tutorial.